and welcome back to Putzel Kitchen. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make the spinach strawberry salad with mint lime vinaigrette. This is from my cookbook, The Seasoned Plate, which we are doing a special bundle with Style Shack. I'm going to be presenting the salad in this beautiful Guzzini bowl, which is melamine from Italy. Melamine is great because you can use it outdoors and it doesn't break. So to start, first we're going to make the dressing. I have a half a cup of olive oil here and 4 limes juiced, which is about a half a cup of lime juice. I'm going to pour that in here, mix it together. I'm going to save a little lime juice on the side for later. And then the zest of 4 limes. I already have 3 limes zested here, and I just wanted to remind you, when you're zesting and you use a nice microplane like this, you're going to go from foot to head and just roll it one time over each side. We don't want the white, that's the pith, it's bitter, but the green part of the skin is what gives us that wonderful flavor, and that's really the only part of the zest that you need. So just gonna add that there, and then we are gonna use 2 tablespoons of honey. So just whatever kind of honey you have is fine, and if you'd like it a little sweeter, you can certainly add more. A little bit more. A few grinds of freshly ground black pepper, a pinch of sea salt, so a bunch of fresh mint here, and just the leaves. Just squeeze all the juice off of that, and I'm just gonna chop it real quick because we need about 2 tablespoons. We have the chopped mint here. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons to the dressing. So easy to blend it together. You just put any kind of jar with a tight fitting lid and give it a really good shake until it's emulsified. I have the apple already sliced like matchsticks, real thin. And I put a little bit of lime juice in the water, and I'm just gonna put the apple in here for now and let it soak so that the apples don't turn brown. Now we're gonna assemble the salad. I have this beautiful Guzzini platter. Again, it's melamine from Italy and it doesn't break, which is perfect for this warm weather as we're starting to eat outside. 8 cups of baby spinach, but you can use regular spinach, that's fine too. And we're just gonna layer that on the bottom of the bowl. I like to use a wider, flatter bowl just for presentation purposes. I think it looks prettier. Then we have the dressing that's all ready to go. We'll give it a little taste. And if you were going to serve the salad immediately, then I would say dress the salad. We definitely don't need all this dressing, probably only about 1/4 to 1/3 of it. Oh, great, nice and zesty. Then I'm going to top the spinach with the apples sliced like matchsticks. Then I have 1 cup of strawberries sliced thinly. I'm going to place that on top. Just 1/2 cup of pecan halves. You can use toasted pecans or candied pecans, whatever you like. And then a little bit of goat cheese for garnish. I sometimes like to leave that on the side. Not everybody likes goat cheese. And some mint leaves for garnish as well, because I think that looks so beautiful. You can serve it with the dressing on the side. For self-serve, or like I said, you can toss the greens right before you add everything else. This is such a great Mother's Day gift. You can buy this beautiful bowl, which is $60, with the tongs and my cookbook in a bundle for your favorite mom at Style Shack.